Huawei Watch Fit Mini is finally up for pre-order in China. If the name rings a bell, it's because the wearable launched in Europe back in October 2021. The Huawei Watch Fit Mini is a smaller version of the standard model, and it comes with a long-lasting 180 mAh battery and a 1.47-inch AMOLED touchscreen. There are several health and fitness features and up to 96 sports modes. The watch comes with all the basic monitoring sensors such as a heart rate sensor and SpO2 measurement sensor. The Huawei smartwatch features a 1.47-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 368 by 194 pixels and 282 ppi. The panel carries support for touch input and uses gesture control. If we talk about the design, the watch has a rectangular body and a physical button on the side. The casing of the watch is made using aluminum, while the bottom has a plastic build. The wearable is built to be 5 ATM water resistant and dust resistant. In terms of sensors, the smartwatch comes with a 6-axis IMU sensor, optical heart rate sensor, as well as SpO2 sensor for monitoring blood oxygen levels. In addition, it features 96 sports modes including running, cycling, swimming, yoga, and more. For connectivity, it has Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support. Huawei Watch Fit Mini comes with impressive battery life. The company claims that its 180 mAh battery can last for up to 14 days of normal use and up to 10 days of heavy use. The watch is claimed to charge fully in just 65 minutes. The Huawei Watch Fit Mini will retail for 499 yuan or $73. However, the watch is available for pre-order for 399 yuan or $59. It is available in frost white, matcha brown, and taro purple color options. It can be purchased from Vmall in China. I hope this video was interesting for you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.